Hey guys, we're out on an LG job site today with Matt Jurecic. He's the owner of True North Heating out at Hayden, Idaho. And today we're going to show you the ProFit fittings from RectorSeal. These come in about every configuration you could possibly think of. They come in all the different sizes you need. Today we are putting in an LG. This is just a single zone 9K.
Yep.
So we're going to be using a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch socket style fitting. So female flare threads on this.
And when you order these, make sure to ask for a socket.
Yes, socket. Very important. We're going to finish releasing the nitrogen out of the unit here real quick. And using our best practices, little snot or Nylog Blue. It's cold out here today, guys, so things aren't flowing. It's a little snot. This breaks all the rules that we've been taught for years about flares, about don't put anything on them. This can go on the mechanical surfaces as well, the actual flare part of it, and provides a little extra layer of protection for you. So Matt's just hand tightening this fitting on right now. And then we're going to get a backup wrench on it after we get the other fitting on here. And we're going to go ahead and use a flare tool on these too, so we can torque them down to the proper flare setting. And we're going to set it for the proper torque per manufacturer specs for a 1/4 inch line.
Go.
Okay, 1/4 inch is done. I'm going to move on to the 3/8. We'll reset the wrench for the right torque again. A lot easier to do this on the ground than up on a ladder.
Come on. There we go.
Okay, they're both torqued down. Okay guys, we are at the outdoor unit now. Again, we've got the ProFit fittings here. Got our 1/4. We got our 3/8. Same drill as the indoor unit. Package open. Get our Nylog. We'll go ahead and apply some Nylog to the outdoor. Hand tighten our fittings. Go ahead and start with this one here. We're gonna back up this entire valve here just to be safe, guys. reset for the quarter. Should we back that one up as well? We're there. Okay guys, we're on the outdoor unit now. We got our pipe cut. We went ahead and deburred it, both inside and out, so we don't screw up that O-ring. Usually like to take a little sanding pad and clean that copper up as well. An erector seal gives you a tool to go ahead and get your depth right, so you make sure you insert enough. So we got our 3/8 line here. I'm just going to take a marker and make a mark so we know how deep to insert it. I'll pop the cap out. We're going to go ahead and insert our pipe. And that's all there is to it. We'll do the same for the 1/4" line, and we can go ahead and leak test, pull back, and get this job in the rear view mirror.